What's going on, guys? This is some parts I picked up off Facebook Marketplace for the cateye restoration. It's coming along pretty good. Got everything I need, I think, to convert that truck to full power interior. Got some new body panels here because some of mine are pretty beat, and just some other little odds and ends and pieces and parts. So I'll be doing a lot of work on that truck soon, installing all this stuff. So be sure and make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for those videos.